Okay, so sign out here. Okay, so this is Henry Jung and Edward Kang's CSSE280 final project. The title for this project is Calendar Universe. The URL for this project is actually up top here with Edward Kang's last name, -2 -name CSSE280 web.web.app. It's deployed in Firebase. And the reason why we decided to do this app is because just by being on a really busy college, we thought having a simple planner that could actually help us keep track on what's coming and what has happened would be great. So I'm gonna walk through some features now. I'm gonna press sign in. Yeah, it's leads to a sign in page and enter some credentials. I already have an account main just for demo sake. That has all the I have some final events planned out here. Uh, so I have more finals than this, but it's okay. So I'm gonna try to create an event and I'm gonna name it as what final do I have? I have a proofs final coming up on Tuesday, which is a little not good. No, it's at it's no, it's not Montreal. It's actually at Crapo. It's another room number, which is G313. No. And notes, I hate proofs. There you go. Let me create it. There you go. It's created. But I didn't put the time in, so it's just gonna show 00 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So it's gonna go all day. This is actually the little filter here. That's all we have. All we got to do is put a start date with November 14th. And I want to put down the same day, apply it. It's only going to show up the events that's planned on this date. That's this date range, which is November 14th itself. I'm going to increase the date here, implement, and then it's going to be showing all the events that are planned from this date to this date. So it's just great. If I clear it and apply it again, everything comes back up. I'm going to click on the proofs final here, and let me just try to edit the thing. It's gonna be there. I'm just gonna let's say my final got moved to Wednesday. Let me just change the date here, update it. It's gonna go back and update the date. Delete, just press the trash can button. Delete, it's gone. There you go. If I press a week view, it's gonna show all the events in a week view here, which is really nice. Click on the arrow button here. It's going to show the next week, the next week after, which is really good. It even shows the previous week. Today, this blue mark right here is actually this means today with this blue shaded area with the live time bar, which actually one of the technical feature that uses concepts beyond the class beyond that we learned in the class. And this blue mark right here, this blue shaded area will move over to Monday as soon as it hits tomorrow, which is good. One thing that I want to point out is that right now we have 3 events showing up here, but if I go to Firestore, there are more than 3. Why is it only showing 3? Is because it only shows events that this user with a certain ID created. So right now, each events have author fields with different author codes. You can see these 2 are different, but right now I am logged in with the person having this specific author code, and it's only going to show these 3 events that I have. So it's nothing that it's not going to show these events that are created by some other users, which is nice. So I'm going to sign out. Let me just create an account here. I'm going to go and that's my Henry. I am going to say Young72 gmail.com, and let's see, I enter a password that is less than 6 characters. It's going to give me an error saying that the password should be at least 6 characters. Let's say the password is correct, but the email credentials are wrong. Not good. The email address is badly formatted. So all I got to do is change the thing and press to create account. There you go. Boom. But the events are not showing because no events has been made with this specific person. So in the Firestore, nothing's showing up. But all I got to do is just make an event, and the Firestore will take care of just storing all the events, and it's only going to show that specific event. So that has this user ID as its field. So I'll go to week view, nothing showing. So because nothing has been made, just go back to the list view again. It's going to show nothing. So right now, this is actually the desktop mode. And if I go back here, it's going to be the little mobile view right here. If I just pinch the screen, I just try to go to week view. This looks fine with the little pinched week view right here. Yep. Sign out and try to sign in. This looks good. Let me just try to sign back in with my credentials again. There you go. All the events looked good on the mobile app. Everything looks fine on it's pinched, but this is how the mobile view should be. So, and that is it. And thank you for watching the video. I enjoyed the app. Whoever wants to use this would work great. And I plan on using it in the future as well.